You're gonna come home with me. See, he wants to come home. Right?
Weekend fun time. Ambrose decided we were ready once again to get another chameleon, and he has brought home Pistachio. I can't even say his name. Pistachio. And where is the little fella?
He's hiding.
He's hiding somewhere, but Ambrose is putting together, what is that, a mister?
Yep.
He already tucked in some plants. And I think he even put some moss down there for him. There's crickets in there. Everything's what is it? We need to do a little bit of cleanup on the window glass, but everything's ready. Trying to find him. We didn't know if to do a video of this. It just came up really out of the nowhere. We had no idea. I don't know if we had mentioned this on YouTube, but our last little guy ended up dying when there was a Hurricane Florence in North Carolina last year. All the stores were closed and there was no way to get him food, and he was very picky, right?
Yep.
He was a very picky little guy. So the poor little guy ended up dying. So there's what he just put right now to mist in there. And those are his lights. Trying to get a little peek of him so y'all can see him. Excuse the windows, I'll be cleaning them in a little bit. Like I said, we didn't know we were going to get another chameleon. Not this soon. You're putting water in there?
Yep.
The kids are super excited. Let's see if we can find him. I can't see him anywhere. I think he was way back there.
Yeah, he's kind of.
He was way back there. But one thing we noticed is he is super friendly. Very friendly. And I think because this time Ambrose got him from the pet store. Last time you ordered him, right? And what was it? It was like from a breeding place where they breed them. And I just don't think he had a lot of his surroundings. He wasn't surrounded by people, noise. And this little guy, he's very friendly. Okay, he's being shy right now, so we'll just go ahead and show him off later when he gets comfortable enough to come out. Okay, so here he is. So here we got him, Pistachio. Isn't he cute? So well behaved. Look at him. I think we have our lady over there. She's a little jealous. Our dog, I think she knows that we brought home someone new. She's crying. Well, there he is, guys. He actually came out and I think he's gonna be very happy in his new home. We'll show more later on to see how he's doing. We didn't really plan on doing a video because we didn't expect to be doing this soon, but why not? Everyone's excited and ready for another little guy. Look at him, guys. Okay, say bye, Pistachio.